Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 649 error mount point not resolved on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issue of your system. So restart your system, and after restarting, open File Explorer and make sure that all your disk driver has been available or showing correctly, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose disk management. In disk management window, go to your problematic or faulty disk driver having issues. Simply right click on it and choose change driver. Right click on it and choose change drive letter and paths, and here click on change and enter a new drive letter and choose a different drive letter from the drop down menu and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. In my case, I will choose no. In your case, if you are facing problem, then choose yes. After changing your drive letter and paths, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Here choose yes, and in command prompt windows execute the command chkdsk /f/r, and here replace x value with your drive letter. If your drive letter is D or E, then replace X with your drive letter and press enter. Would you like to force a dismount on this volume? Choose yes and press enter. After that, follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. Update your disk driver. Here expand disk driver and right click on your disk driver and choose update driver. On the next page, how do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, again go to Windows search and scan your system with SFC scan. Now go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes, and in command prompt windows execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, restore your system to the previous state. Open control panel in your system. Here choose recovery. Click on open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will open. Click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You may check against show more restore points, and here you will find additional restore point. Choose either Windows Update or automatic restore point. Choose any one of them and choose next, and finally confirm your restore point. Choose finish and let the window complete the restoration process. Follow on screen instruction. Hopefully your error will be